Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's I think 12th of December today. Just going to catch up on my sweet peas. These were sown a few weeks ago. As you can see, they're probably 6-8 inches tall now. I've took them out of the heater propagator and they're just on top of the bench with no extra lights, just the heat from the greenhouse, which I do have a heater, so this is probably why they're bolted a little bit. What we're doing with these, I'm taking you through how I pinch them out to thicken them up for next year. So let's get cracking with that. As you can see, I am using these root trainers. So once I pinch these out, I'll give them a couple of weeks in these, and then I'll pot them on into probably 9 centimetre pots, so they can bulk up a little bit more. As you can see, they've not had a feed, so they're quite anemic at the moment, but I don't want to feed them just yet because that'll encourage even more growth. So yeah, let's get on pinching these sweet peas out, shall we? Hope everybody's keeping well, ladies and gentlemen. I have my little snips here. Make sure you clean them. I always give them a quick wash because with the coronavirus, I think everybody's got alcohol wipes and alcohol solution for your hands, so I just dip them in that and give them a good clean. May look dirty, but they have been disinfected. You don't want to pass on any viruses. So yeah, you want to just nip them out just above a node there, just above a leaf, and then from below that you'll get 1, 2, 3 new shoots coming. So go around, cut them down. You don't want to cut them down to just one leaf, because then you're just going to get one more branch coming off it, which is no good. You want at least 2. This way they get nice and thick for next year, these. Yeah, I hope everybody's going to have a good Christmas and a safe one. Hopefully we will. Hopefully we'll all get the vaccine soon as well. Yeah, these, I don't know what happened before, but these are the best things I bought last year for my garden. So handy. Good for quite thick branches, and they're really robust. And they're really good for delicate work like these, as long as you keep them sharp. Keep on top of sharpening them and keep them nice and clean. Nearly got them all the same size now. Like I said, I'll do this and then I'll leave them a few weeks, and then I should put them onto bigger pots. When I've done all this, they should be all roughly the same height then. But yeah, really pleased with these seeds. I don't know, I can't remember where I bought them from, but they've been really good seeds, these. I've had nearly 100% germination, which is quite unusual. And they weren't soaked either, because a lot of people say, oh, soak them for 24 hours or 12 hours beforehand, but I didn't need to do that. Just pot them straight up. But yeah, as you can see, pinched all the tops out. Like I said, you will get extra growth from just below that leaf, and one just there that hasn't got a leaf on, but you will get growth from that one and even that one there. So yeah, just give them water now. I'll give them a little feed now, and then put them somewhere unheated, because you don't want them to go mad. And I should pot them up in a few weeks. I've used a peat-based compost. I think it's 60-70% peat. It's supposed to got 6 weeks worth of feeding. And yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my video, please subscribe, everybody, and press the bell. So happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.